3 ways to stop inflation from stealing your savings. Did you know inflation quietly eats away your money every year, even if you're saving diligently? In today's video, I'll show you 3 ways to fight back and protect your financial future. Imagine having $10,000 in your bank account at a 5% annual inflation rate. In 5 years, your money's buying power will drop to around $7,700. That's over $2,300 lost without spending a single cent. Most people don't notice because they only check their balance, not what it can actually buy. This silent erosion is why inflation is often called the hidden tax on your wealth. If you are someone looking for ways to profit from your savings, here are 3 ways to stop inflation from stealing all your savings. 1. High-interest savings, or GICs. Traditional savings accounts barely keep up with inflation. Look for high-interest accounts or guaranteed investment certificates. Even a small increase in interest can protect your money over time. 2. Invest in inflation-protected assets. Treasury inflation-protected securities, TIPS, ETFs that track real assets or even real estate tend to rise in value with inflation. Think of it like giving your money a shield against devaluation. 3. Increase income streams. Savings alone aren't enough. Building extra income through side hustles, digital products, or dividend investments offsets the loss caused by inflation. Multiple streams equals multiple shields. Bonus. Tip. Mind your spending. Track your expenses monthly. Cutting unnecessary recurring costs frees money to invest in inflation-proof assets. Awareness itself is powerful. Want the best crypto and finance tools? Check out the link in the description area. And don't forget to follow Darlington Academy for tips to protect your money and grow your wealth in the world of crypto, personal, and global finance.